Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw an AirPods while we learn Spanish. We draw the earphones. This is the left one. Left in Spanish is izquierda. This is the right one. Right in Spanish is derecha. We draw the box where it's kept. Box in Spanish is CAJA. Now we draw the eyes. Eyes in Spanish is OJOS. Come on guys, it's looking very good. We draw his smiling mouth. Mouth in Spanish is said boca. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say earphone in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. Let's go with the blue color. That in Spanish is said AZUL. We use pink. Pink in Spanish is said ROSA. We use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Let's see if you know the answer. Earphone in Spanish is AURICULAR. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing!